So it's Summerween. I love Halloween. Those of you who have ever heard me tangle or talk about fall, I love fall and I love Halloween. My mom made Halloween so amazing, and I lost her at the age of 60, and I miss her so much, but she made Halloween so amazing. And so I decided to do a witch's hat and not really do much tangling to the actual hat, but maybe the background. I don't know. And so we did this live, and this is how it turned out. I just sketched out a hat, and then we did a little bit of tangling. So I'm just going to let you listen to the music. Just remember, start with gratitude, breathe in the things you're grateful for, exhale all the junk, let it go. This is your time. Don't judge yourself for the tangle. This is about just enjoying what you're doing. So have fun. Make sure you're not holding your breath, light with the pen, light with the pressure. And don't bite that inside of the cheek or clench the jaw. And I'll talk to you in a little bit. So this is the Tangle Floors. You can actually have this straight if you don't want the lines curved. It's totally up to you. You can do them wavy. Just have fun with it. And maybe you don't want to put this background. Maybe you want to put a different one. This is your tangle. You do whatever makes you happy and enjoy it. Now I decided to add some printemps on this little buckle section of the hat, and then I oraed above and below that a little bit. And you can do whatever you want here. It's yours. Have fun. Just remember, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle is a bonus at the end. So just make sure you're not holding your breath. All those things we talk about. Be light with the pen, light with the pressure, and just let everything melt away. For shading, there's no rules for shading in the Zentangle method, so put the graphite wherever you want it. And if you don't like it, have an eraser nearby and erase it. But you won't know unless you try it. I have so many people who don't shade, wait to shade, and then once they start shading, they go, why did I never shade? So try it, and if you don't like it, erase it. But enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And so this is what I'm doing here. I'm putting what's left on the tortillon anywhere that kind of calls out to me. And that's what I really encourage you to do. Just whatever you're drawing, what's it asking you to do? Because if you get your ego out of the way, you'll hear that there's definitely some messages that your art is giving you. It's just we live in a world where the ego just wants to tell us what we're doing right and wrong, and it's okay to go outside the lines. And so here is before I added my own version of shading and a little more tangling. And this is what it ended up like. I did put some gold sparkle on the actual buckle. That's the only thing that has any color on the hat. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.